Transaxle is out, boys.
Where the hell's the big PG?
PB blaster? Oh, I'm surprised that stayed on. Huh. Yeah, we made a mistake not draining that, so there's oil everywhere. But
Oh well.
it's on rock, so no big deal. Soaks right up. Trying to get that pulley off so we're ready for pulley swaps on our different mowers. You got plenty on there.
I'm aware. I'm just kind of pissed off. It won't come off.
And an array of parts. Gas tank's pretty well drained out. The reservoir there, I need to drain out. Bunch of accessory parts. Otherwise, this is the stuff we're keeping. Little lights, pulley, 2 wheels. And
Put this on, like for.
and not much else is there. So, if we do any more, thanks for watching.